Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Clipchamp text to speech. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, brackets, templates, and right here, you're gonna find all of your folders. In the center of your screen, you're gonna find the option to create a new video. And here, you're gonna find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm gonna click on create a new video. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your video. So right now, in order to use text to speech, firstly go to record and create. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of options. You can record the screen and the camera, screen, or audio. And here under create, you're going to find text to speech. So right now, I'm going to click on text to speech. And then as you can see, guys, it's added right here. So once you add it, go ahead and click on text to speech right here. Then choose the language you want to work with. Then you can choose the voice also. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find some advanced settings like emotion, vocal pitch, and also the pace. And right here, you can type anything that you want. So, for example, I'm gonna type hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use text to speech. And then we're going to click on save. Then once you click on save, you can click on preview. And basically, guys, this is it. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.